Alright guys, sa mapagpalang araw sa inyong lahat, meron tayong isang reaction video dito kay PBBM. Ayan, pinaghahanda na ni PBBM sa Warzone External Threat. President Ferdinand Marcos expressed concern over the continuing rise, ayan, political tension in the Indo-Pacific diyan sa Philippine Sea. At panoorin po natin ang buong detalye guys, and no further ado. Alright, let's do watch.
President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. stressed that the country needs to prepare for external threats due to heightened geopolitical tension in the Indo-Pacific. Speaking to members of the Philippine Army on Monday, June 10, Marcos highlighted the country's strategic proximity to Taiwan, which makes the Philippines an area of interest for China. President Marcos said the external threat has become more worrisome, and that is why the country must be prepared for any eventuality. The commander-in-chief also said that while the Philippines isn't taking territory, its leadership has to reorient its thinking and must adopt full commitment to defend the country's territory. Also, the national government has to engage in various efforts to maintain peace in the region, such as through continued diplomacy. PBBM emphasized that the country would not give up a single square inch of our territory. And because of the changing geopolitical landscape and emerging new threats, the government decided to include Cagayan as an Enhanced Defense Cooperation Agreement or EDCA site through collaboration with the U.S., its closest military ally. According to PBBM, the 5th IDIS mission now includes territorial defense from external threats, as he stressed the importance of providing the AFP with equipment, training, and facilities to make it a highly capable force. Nel Maribuhok, UN.
Alright guys, napanood at napakinggan po natin ang paghahanda ng Pilipinas kung sakali magkaroon ng gulo dito sa West Philippine Sea sa Indo-Pacific region. Because of this, Commander-in-Chief has been given instructions to the Armed Forces of the Philippines. At panoorin po natin at subaybayan po natin kung anong mangyayari sa Pilipinas. At maraming salamat sa support to Rob Trip, and see us again sa ating next reaction video, and peace out.